Sean, as Managing Director of the company here, you must be very proud of this investment here in this CORREA Fox 60 machine. It's going to take your company forward, isn't it?
Yeah, you're exactly right. We're extremely proud. All of us in the business are delighted with this investment. It really takes us on to new businesses and keeping everything in-house, which is really important for us, and that adds to our strength.
Now, we're a lot further north than we tend to get a lot. We're up in Carlisle. When we come this far north, it's very evident how much heavier engineering becomes. And looking around your facility here today, there is some real work in progress going through here. Maybe you could tell our audience what you actually manufacture here at Bendalls Engineering and what's going to be going through this machine.
Well, we manufacture all sorts of fabrication components, not just fabricated pressure vessels, which we're well known for producing, but we're also producing machinery for the oil, gas and nuclear sectors. We make components, vessels up to 200 tonnes. So yeah, a huge range of different components go through this facility.
Now, I know we can't put a lot of the parts that you make or the products that you make on camera for the reasons of being involved in the nuclear industry, but something I've seen here today has been going through your production for a year. That's how long projects can take from start to finish, isn't it? That's some engineering.
Yes. Yeah, I mean, as a business, what we pride ourselves in doing is taking the client's concept, designing it, because we've got in-house design capability, going through the manufacturing of the component parts, and then going through factory acceptance testing along with all the inspection that our client demands for these kind of pieces of equipment.
Now, this is a big investment for the company, a big bridge mill here. What problems is this going to solve for you here, Sean, at Bendalls Engineering?
It just adds to the fact that we can take projects from the start to the end. We're not subcontracting large, expensive pieces of equipment outside of our business. We're managing and we're controlling all the risks, which is very important to us and our client.
And how do you begin to measure what value you get out of this plant? I mean, do you have a return on investment model? Are you looking at this and thinking, well, you know, what we can do with this now means it's going to pay for itself in a year, 6 months, 5 years, because it is a massive, massive investment for you.
It is, and like I say, it adds to our stability, it adds to our growth strategy. It doesn't just bring in machined items, large machined items, it brings projects in. So not only the machining components that are produced to make the final product, but all the fabrication and welding and all the NDT, which we have in this house, along with design, it complements the whole package.
And as the managing director of the company, having some of those kind of issues taken off of your table takes away the headache of all of those concerns. It means you can focus on just growing the company and doing what you do best.
That's right. I mean, it eases the pain having that full capability, in-house capability. You know, if we've got a piece of equipment that we've manufactured and designed even from start to finish, and if it's hundreds of thousands of pounds and you're having to outsource the machining side of it for maybe an activity that's only worth £15,000, there's a huge element of risk. So bringing this in-house takes away that risk.
And have you seen in the short space of time the machine's been here some quick wins in the way that you're talking? Have you seen things go through here that you've thought this is exactly why we bought this machine?
Absolutely. We haven't gone to market with this machine yet. We've done a little bit on LinkedIn, but already we've seen a lot of inquiries and we've secured some great orders already for this machine.
And you also told me earlier as well about more investment that you're making, which is really good news to hear. We love hearing this in UK manufacturing. Within this same shop floor area here, you're going to be having new plant. Can you tell us about the inventory that's coming in?
Yeah, it's so important to continue to invest in the future for us to grow. We're looking at bringing more items that we outsource within this business and within the infrastructure. Waterjet cutting is so important to us moving forward and would complement a big machine like this. You know, if we're looking at technology in waterjet that can cut component parts to 0.2 of a millimetre prior to going onto the machine for final machining. So it's so important that, you know, we look at all opportunities out there.